Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 30 and our topic is how much do you know? So now let's learn about our topic. Number first, sun, the sun. sun, sun. So here we can see a photograph of sun. So the sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion where hydrogen is converted to helium. So, the sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion where hydrogen is converted to helium and within its core, so the energy is released from the sun is the form of heat and light. So sun give us heat and light and the energy is released from the sun is the form of heat and light. So remember the star produce light, planets reflect light. So stars produce light and planets reflect light. And a star's temperature determines its color. So the coldest star are red and the hottest star are blue. So the star's temperature determines its color and the coldest star are red and the hottest stars are blue. So children's sun give us light. Now next, the sun is a star and the biggest object in the solar system. So you all know that sun is the star and biggest object in the solar system. So it's burn brightly in the center as the planets and other objects orbit around it. So it burns brightly in the center as the planets and other objects orbit around it. So, children's sun is a biggest star in the solar system. So, the sun is hot. Here we can see a photograph of sun red in a color. So the sun is a hot and bright star, and no part of the sun is solid by liquid. Solid or a liquid. No part of the sun is solid or a liquid. So you can fit more than 1,000 earths in the sun. So the light you can fit more than 1,000 earths in the sun and light travels at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second. So the sun has sunspots and that are colder than the sun. The sun has sunspots and that are the colder than the sun. So the sun is the center of the solar system. You all know that sun give us lights and heat and the sun is a center of the solar system. So children, you all are understand about sun. So now we are going to learn next slide, and the center of our universe is the sun. So sun is the center of our universe. So our sun is just like the star and we see the night sky. We see in the night sky and other stars may be larger or brighter than our sun. but they are so very far and away that we only see them as a points of light in the night sky. So, the other stars may be larger or brighter than our sun, but are so very far away that we only see them as a point of a light in the night sky. And the sun is also a big that you could fit more than 1 million earths inside it of it, and the sun's surface temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius, while its center is about 50 million degrees Celsius. So the sun is about 75% hydrogen and 25% helium, and the sun covers hydrogen to helium in its core. So the light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach earth, and very bright weather is dangerous to look directly at the suns without protective glasses. So, sometimes darker spots are seen in the surface of the sun, and these are magnetic areas and which are cooler than the rest of the sun, and they are called sunspots. So, now next, transpiration. So here we can see this is the other process that water moves from earth to the atmosphere. So the root or plants get water from the soil. So here also we can see a photograph of water travels through the plants, and water evaporates and from the leaf surface, and water absorbs by roots. So this is the other process that water moves from the earth to the atmosphere. So trees, shrubs, grasses and other plants all need water to survive, and they take up water from the soil by their roots, and so that they can grow. So, just like in the process of evaporations, the sun creates a heat which transfers this water into the air through the tiny holes in the underside of leaves. So, children, you all are understand that plants get water from the soil through roots and absorption of water. So uptake of water by a plant is called absorption of water, and plants absorb water from the soil and through the roots hairs, and water is said to be liquid gold of life, and plants are capable of absorbing water from the soil and solution. So mainly absorbs capillary water, and plants also absorb dissolved nutrients along with water. So here we also see photographs of plants and roots. So how it's get water from the soil. So roots take water from the soils, and water travels up to the streams to the leaves, and the root system of a plant is often found below the ground and where you can't see it. So roots take in water and materials called minerals from the soil, and the roots also store food by the plants. So now next, MS Dhoni. So here we can see a photograph of MS Dhoni. So you all know that MS Dhoni full name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and he is an Indian cricketer. So full name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and born on July 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, Bihar. Now it's Jharkhand. So its current age is 34 years, and its major terms in India, Asia, Bihar, Chennai Super Kings, and Jharkhand. So also known as a Mahi, and playing a wicketkeeper and batsman, and also a wicketkeeper and Chanchal Bhattacharya, and also Mahendra Singh Dhoni started his first class career in year 1999 to 2000 in his one day international debut come after on the 23rd 23 of the December 2004, and one down managed to score 148 runs from the just 123 balls. So children, you all are understand about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So now we are going to learn Christmas. So here we can see a Christmas tree. So Christmas tree are popular symbol of Christmas, and they are decorated with ornaments, lights, and grand. So gifts are placed beneath and Christmas tree. So here also we can see how it's celebrated. So in England, they are celebrated Christmas on 25th of December, and also we are celebrated 25th of December in a Christmas, and we call this day Christmas Day. And on Christmas Day we open a lots of presents and ornaments. So here also we can find a photograph of ornaments. So Christmas ornaments are made of from a glass, wood, or a plastic, and usually they represent a something important to a person or a family, and they have hook on top and are used from hung from the branches of Christmas tree. So, in December, people decorated their houses with a Christmas lights. So, here we can see people decorated their house with a Christmas lights, and also people put up their Christmas tree in the and decorated them. People put a Christmas tree and decorated them, and they use bubbles, tinsel, and lights and star to decorate the Christmas tree. So, childrens, you all are understand that how Christmas tree decorated, and also people put a wreath on the front door of their house. So it's a wreath, and people put the wreaths on the front of their door of their house, front door of their house. So now next, Port Blair. So Port Blair is the largest city in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and it's connect the island chain to the rest of the world. and popular places to visit are a cellular jail and Corbion's Cove, an anthropological museum, and Japanese banquets and Chatramso mill, etc. So local cabs are available for a city tours. So, Andaman and Nicobar Island, there is a diversity of flora and fauna in the group of Iceland, and these islands lie close to equator and experience equatorial climates and has thick forest cover. So, Andaman and Nicobar Island are a group of tropical island and at the juncture of Bay of Bengal and between India and Myanmar and stretches almost to tip and Sumatra, and the majority of the Andaman Island is the union habited and it's surrounded by a coral reef. So now next, character of Arjuna in Mahabharata. So in a Mahabharata we find a Arjun character. So here we can see a photograph of Arjun. So in a Mahabharata he has depicted as a central character at the one or the other way. So Arjuna is the son of King Pandu and friend of Lord Krishna. So Arjuna is a very powerful character of Mahabharata and known as a great archer in the history. So he has a powerful sight to view his goal perfectly and provide that not any archer is better than. So the Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epic of ancient India, and the authorship of Mahabharata is attributed to the great Sang Vedvyas, so longest epic in the world, and Mahabharata immunized with the story of people race descend from the ancient empire Bharata. So Arjun, one of the five Pandavas' brother, here also we can find a photograph of Arjun. So Arjun is a five Pandavas' brother, an Indian epic, and who are the heroes of the Indian epic, the Mahabharata. And Arjun is the son of the god Indra and is famous for his archery and uh, for the magical weapons that he wins from the god Shiva. So children, you all are understand about Arjuna. So now next, dictionary. So, what is a dictionary? So, a dictionary is a book. Here also we can find photographs of dictionary. So, a dictionary is a book of words listened alphabetically, and the words listened in the dictionary are called entries and printed in a dark black print. So, for each entry of word is the dictionary gives you the spelling, meaning, pronunciation and how the words used in a sentence. So sometimes the dictionary will have a pictures to the help describe unfamiliar word, and words often have a more than meanings. For example, mouse refers to a small animals and to a computer device. So that looks like the animals. So the dictionary list the most important definitions giving each one a number. So words often have a more than one meanings. So for example, mouse refers a small animals and to computer device. So that looks like the animals, and the dictionary list the most important definitions giving each one of a number. So children, you all are understand what is dictionary. So now next, dictionary is a divided into a three parts, a beginnings, a middle, and end. So dictionary is divided into three parts, beginning, middle, and end. So beginning of the dictionary is letter A to H. So beginning of the dictionary is letter A to H. Then middle of the dictionary is letter G to L, and end of the dictionary is letter M to Z. So children's dictionary is gives spelling and also meanings and pronunciation and how the words is used in a sentence. So sometimes the dictionary will have a pictures to help describe the unfamiliar words. So, how a dictionary gives you the following information about the words, that how to spell the words, pronunciation, and the part of speech of words, and different meaning that the words has, as well as synonyms and antonyms. What is a synonym? So synonyms means the same meanings, and antonyms means a opposite meaning. So, a sentence or expressions with the correctly and the spelling used of the words. So, you all are understand about dictionary. So, now next slide, and it's a kangaroo. So, kangaroo and its baby. So, what is the name of a baby kangaroo? So the name of baby kangaroo is Joy. So here we also a photograph of Joy. So kangaroo is a wild animal and it's live in the forest, and its baby is called a Joy. So a baby kangaroo is called Joy, and kangaroo is also a herbivorous animals. They eat plants, grass, and leaves of trees. So, and also live in a forest. So, childrens, you all are understand that a baby kangaroo it's called Joy. So now next, we are doing exercise on unit number 30. How much do you know? So, childrens, you all are write with me this exercise in your book. Tick the correct word. So here we can see tick the correct word. So number first, the earth, sun, or a moon has its own light. So the earth, sun, and moon has its own light. So who has its own lights? So yes, it's a sun. So sun has its own lights. Very good. Okay, now number 2, the leaf, stream, and root of a plant take water from the soil. So here also we photograph of plants. So what is the get water from the soil? So it's a root. So here we can see a photograph of root. So it's a root. Root of plants take water from the soil. Very good. So root of the plants. Okay, now number 3. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous Indian hockey, cricket, or a football player? So Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous cricket player. Very good. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous cricket player. Very good. Okay, now number 4. Eid, Christmas or Diwali, which is celebrated on 25th December. So, which celebration we celebrate in 25th December? Yes, you all know that Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Very good, children. So, now next, number 5, New Delhi, Port Blair and Kolkata is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar. So, which is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? Iceland. So, it's a Port Blair. So, it's the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, very good. Now, number 6. You will find Arjuna's name in the book called the Panchratna, Mahabharat or a Ramayana. So, Arjuna we find in a Mahabharat. So, in a Mahabharat we find Arjun. Okay, very good. Now, number 7. A dictionary tell us about science, words and meanings or a moral science. So what is a dictionary tell us? So it's a tell words and meanings. Very good. So a dictionary tell us about words and meanings and also a pronunciation. Very good. Okay, now number 8 and last. A joy is a baby, goat, kangaroo, or a turtle. So, a joy is a baby kangaroo. Here we also a photograph of baby kangaroo. So, a joy is a baby kangaroo. Very good. So, you all enjoy. Very good. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students. Bye bye, everyone.